Imagine a bird that can mimic almost any sound it hears. That's the lyrebird for you, folks. Native to Australia, these avian virtuosos are nature's very own DJs. They can flawlessly imitate the calls of over 20 different bird species in their locality. But wait, there's more. Chainsaws, car alarms, camera shutters, even the eerie creak of a door. The lyrebird has them all in its repertoire. This isn't just mimicry, it's a full-fledged performance. And why all this razzmatazz? Well, it's all to woo a mate. The more diverse their playlist, the more attractive they are to female lyrebirds. So, next time you hear a chainsaw in the Australian bush, it might just be a lyrebird laying down a track. The marvels of Mother Nature, right?